This is Max Williams with United Real Estate, and today I'm in Midlothian, Virginia. Today we're going to take a look at a 3-bedroom, 3.5-bath townhome. This townhome community may look familiar. If it does, it's because I've been here before. The unit that is directly in the middle of the frame now, right there on the left, is one that I've covered previously. They obviously have done some additional construction here since then, and we've got some new features. I wanted to bring those to you. We have a clubhouse and fitness center that will be going up right there here in the future. And this is a super convenient location. I was speaking to the very nice site agent earlier, and she was sharing with me that there's going to be a walking trail that actually is going to go from here to the local Publix grocery store, which is a really nice feature. Richmond metropolitan area is not exactly known for being very walkable, but this location not only will have a grocery store within walking distance, there's a medical center that's in the plans to go here. We are walking distance to a high school, and the major commercial corridor is just a half a minute away. So this is an extremely great location from a convenience standpoint. This is going to be the larger of the units that are typically out here. This is a 2-car garage unit. This particular unit is for sale, it is complete, and of course they are still building. There are some price increases that are going up, but they've got a special incentive on this particular home. They're using it, of course, for storage right now, but this home is coming in at about $459,000 with the incentives that are in place. This does have some nice upgrades, and I'll point a couple of those upgrades out to you. A couple of other notable facts about this complex is that it's a 55 and better community. However, many people don't know that in a 55 and better community, everyone that purchases doesn't have to be 55. The general rule is that 80% of the units have to go to people that are 55 and older. So this, of course, would be a possibility for someone that was not 55. Okay, down here on the first level, this is really neat because they have a first floor bedroom. This could double as a home office. We've got a nice sized closet here. There is an option to have a full bath. This one has a 3/4, but as the standard option would be a half bath down here on the first floor. So really neat floor plan from that perspective. The other notable thing about this complex is elevators are now included. So that is a very unusual feature. This is a great property for somebody that doesn't feel like doing steps all the time. You just come in here and there's your elevator right there. You simply open the door, push the button, and it takes you up to floor number 2 or 3. We do have a door here going out to the rear. We're gonna pop back here and see what we've got back here. I love this particular unit because we will back up to woods. And so you've got good privacy here, not only to the rear, but you also have a privacy fence on the side where we have a neighbor. This home does feature multiple zone heating and air. You see those 2 units there. Big plus because you can heat and cool the different levels independently. There's the privacy fence there that I mentioned earlier. Even have a ceiling fan back here, so you can turn that on and move some air around here as you enjoy the back patio. That is just simply a mechanical closet. There is some storage there, but we don't have the key to that. Okay, I'm going to take you upstairs. There's a special, oh, well, here it is. Okay, this elevator is open. I wanted to show you what this elevator looks like. I've seen some residential elevators before, and they look really cheesy. This one is definitely impressive. Good level of finish here on this elevator. You see we have the tan flooring that continues into the elevator, and what happens with the other option for flooring is the elevator will always match. So really good styling there, nice plus. We do have a little coat closet here, and let's go on up to the second level and take a look and see of what we have up there. The end units, of course, have this side pedestrian door. There is a smaller interior unit that has just a one-car garage. So depending on your needs, you've got several options. Of course, there's our elevator once again. Directly ahead would be our balcony, our powder room, space for your dinette under that light fixture. And we've got a nice open floor plan, as you can see. Here to the right, one of the nice upgrades in this unit is going to be that wet bar. You have a space there. You could put a wine chiller right there if desired. And we're going to pop out back here and take a look at our balcony. The HOA does take care of all of the exterior maintenance here on this townhome community. The site agent was describing this exterior surface. This is a type of material where the color is baked in, so there'll never be any issues with it fading or having cosmetic issues over time. We have the composite flooring here. This is that plastic composite that I've mentioned many times before, extremely durable and great for decking purposes, and of course our very private backyard. This is a neat feature here in the sliders. We have a system that has the actual blinds built in. If I take the slider up and down, actually at the bottom, this will go up and down, and then on the top part, this will actually open and close them. And they're built into the glass here, which is kind of neat. You don't have to worry about them getting damaged. So really neat feature there on that sliding door. Of course, our powder room is right there. You may notice that some of the mirrors are missing. They have some supply issues with a few items. And of course, those are pretty easy things to get, but they're just not in place currently. We have a pantry right here, convenient to our nicely upgraded kitchen. Your stainless refrigerator with ice and water would go right there. Notice our cabinetry. We've got white cabinets here. These are soft close with granite countertop. And then our island is the contrasting navy blue. And we're seeing that trend more and more here in new construction. We've got the double bowl stainless sink. Our stove is a gas stove. We got the microwave, Whirlpool microwave overhead. So just a really nicely appointed kitchen. And of course, our stainless dishwasher right there. There's enough space here for probably 5 or 6 bar stools. So this is a great floor plan for entertaining. And here to my left, of course, is going to be the front of the unit. Plenty of space to lay out your furniture. Look at all those built-ins. That is just a load of storage space here in this home. A gas log fireplace is currently installed in this one. However, an electric fireplace is also an option. The great thing about the gas particularly is that it's very efficient. You turn that gas fireplace on and it will definitely put out some good heat. So if you ever wanted to warm it up a little bit, that's an easy and romantic way to do so. All right, let's go on up to our 3rd level. These bedrooms have carpet. However, LVP is a pretty inexpensive upgrade. So if you wanted to change it out and you wanted a solid surface here in your bedrooms, that's definitely a possibility. Okay, this is going to be bedroom number 2. Remember, we had one bedroom that was downstairs. This is going to be one of 2 bedrooms up here on the 2nd level. And our closet. I love the fact we've got plenty of light that flows in to these units. Our light is going to really come into our primary bedroom. You'll see that here when we go into that space. Really good size secondary bath. Nicely appointed. I love this material here on the vanity. It's just a really nice look. We see this very popular gray and white color scheme once again. Here to the left is going to be our laundry. We've got laundry up here on the same level as the primary. That's a common trend that we see now, so very convenient in modern homes. A thermostat up here on this level as well. Keep it comfortable per taste on all 3 levels. And this, of course, is going to be our primary bath. Our water closet is conveniently tucked away right there. And we do have a glass shower door that's on order. And that would, of course, go right here across that threshold. Nicely appointed primary bath and plenty of storage here in this linen closet. All right, I'm now going to take you into my favorite room in the house. Here we have, well, not my favorite, my second favorite is the closets. We've got one closet on this side, plenty of space, and then we've got the duplicate on this side. So we've got dual closets here. We'll keep fighting to a minimum in the household. And our very nice primary bedroom. Look at this. There's plenty of space here. You could have your full layout, king size bed, bedroom furniture, and even a sitting area here. This is just a massive amount of space here right on the very front of the home. So you would have a view. There's going to be a small rose garden that's going to be right out front there. As I mentioned earlier, the clubhouse will be out there as well. So just a really nice unit. All right, this one is currently available, but they are building future units. So if you have questions about this or any other property on the market, you always want to be represented, whether you are buying new construction or resale. And it would be my honor to do so. My name is Max Williams. I can reach at 804-402-7788 on Facebook under Richmond Area Foreclosures, and YouTube under my name, Max Williams Realtor. Please be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know what you think about this beautiful unit. Thanks so much for taking the tour. Y'all be safe. Have a great day.